Welcome back to the channel. If you thought the space race was a thing of the past, the events of 2026 are proving that we have officially entered a new golden era of cosmic exploration. Right now, the world's leading space agencies, NASA, China's CNSA, Europe's ESA, and Japan's JAXA, are pulling off deep space operations that sound like pure science fiction. This isn't just about planting flags anymore. This current space race is a highly calculated competition for sustainable lunar infrastructure, deep space sample retrieval, and mapping the most extreme environments in our solar system. Let's break down exactly what the latest data tells us about who is leading the charge in 2026.
NASA has taken a massive leap forward with the successful completion of the Artemis II mission. Launching on April 1st, 2023, this historic mission sent 4 astronauts on a 10-day journey, becoming the first crewed flight to travel beyond low Earth orbit since the Apollo era in 1972. The Orion spacecraft carried the crew in a free return trajectory around the moon, successfully splashing down in the Pacific Ocean on April 10th. Following the mission, NASA released a massive archive of over 12,000 photos captured by the astronauts, giving us unprecedented views of Earth and the lunar far side. This mission officially proved that NASA's hardware is ready for the upcoming Artemis II crewed lunar landing.
While NASA focuses on the moon, China's CNSA is executing aggressive maneuvers in deep space. As of July 6, 2026, China's Tianwen-2 probe successfully arrived just 20 kilometers away from the near-Earth asteroid 2016 HO3, also known as Kamawalewa. After launching in May 2025 and traveling about 1 billion kilometers, the spacecraft is now beginning detailed scientific exploration of this asteroid, which essentially acts as Earth's quasi-moon. The ultimate goal of this mission is to collect physical samples from the asteroid's surface and return them to Earth, highlighting China's rapidly advancing capabilities in deep space precision.
Meanwhile, Europe and Japan are teaming up to conquer the most hostile planetary environment in our inner solar system. The Bepi-Colombo mission, a joint operation between ESA and JAXA, is preparing to enter Mercury's orbit in November 2026 after an incredible 9.3 billion kilometer journey. Upon arrival, it will split into 2 independent orbiters, ESA's Mercury Planetary Orbiter to map the surface, and JAXA's Mercury Magnetospheric Orbiter to study the planet's magnetic field. This patient, highly complex mission proves that ESA and JAXA are unparalleled when it comes to long-term collaborative engineering and extreme thermal survival.
Analyzing all this current data, the verdict for 2026 is clear. The modern space race is highly diversified. NASA holds the undeniable lead in crewed spaceflight and heavy-lift rocketry. However, CNSA's rapid execution of the Tianwen-2 sample return mission shows they are closing the technological gap faster than anyone predicted. At the same time, ESA and JAXA are quietly dominating the realm of extreme environment robotics. The universe is getting crowded, and the discoveries we are about to see in the late 2020s will change our understanding of physics forever.
Remember when humanity intentionally crashed a spacecraft into a deep space asteroid? Well, in late 2026, the cosmic detectives are finally arriving at the crime scene. Europe's Hera spacecraft is arriving at asteroid Dimorphos to survey the absolute chaos left behind. This isn't just about taking pictures of a massive space scar. Hera is deploying 2 miniature CubeSats to literally peer inside the asteroid's core. Why does this matter to human civilization? Because if a giant space rock ever heads toward Earth, this data will tell us exactly how hard we need to hit it to save our planet. We aren't just studying history, we are learning how to change it. But while everyone is looking at the moon, Japan is quietly aiming for Mars. Well, specifically, its moons. In October 2026, JAXA is launching the highly anticipated MMX mission, and it is trying to pull off a deep space heist no one has ever attempted before. The plan?
Land a robotic spacecraft directly onto Phobos, a tiny potato-shaped moon orbiting the red planet. MMX will drill into the alien surface, collect pristine physical samples, and bring them straight back to Earth.